Hi guys, good morning. We're still here in Iceland. We're in the southern part of the country. As what my wife said, we're in the Golden Circle tour. In my back is a geyser. For those who don't know what a geyser is, it has boiling water at the bottom, at the very low part of the ground, no? And as it boils so strong and hard, every 6 and 7 minutes, water starts gushing out. Our tour guide told us it's like 300 degrees Celsius in boiling temperature. So that's something very hot. And the unique quality of it is it stays in liquid form even if it's at 300 degrees Celsius as well. What does this have to do with the stock market? While our tour guide was going through stuff, this reminded me of the characteristics of what a breakout is. A breakout is a price movement through an identified level of resistance. But when a breakout happens, the previous resistance now becomes the new support. The thing about that is, as the stock breaks out from the resistance has a small opening with a large amount of pressure where buyers overwhelm the sellers, which allows the stock to push up and move up on a very high speed. So for those who are new to the stock market, this becomes a buying opportunity for you when stocks start to break out, when stocks approach the resistance, but the resistance gets overwhelmed and you see a large amount of buying take place. You would see the stock start to go up. So this normally happens from a news perspective or a sentiment standpoint, when there's a lot of either game changers that would happen, mergers and acquisitions, better than expected results, better earnings, company acquires another company, or there was a negative item that suddenly was resolved. So there's the geyser. That's how high it was. No, it erupts fast and suddenly. So you see how strong the movement was. So that's how it is. That's how a breakout normally works. You see over there, that's how a breakout normally works. It's strong, it's fast, it zooms up, it causes prices to go up on a very fast duration, like what you saw on the geyser at the back. I'm not sure if it was as clear in the camera, but as you see, there's strong surge, strong movement, a strong surge of the water caused it to zoom up, and that's what happens during a breakout. The thing about breakouts is people don't want to buy it because it's high, because it's expensive, and you have to understand this. That's what happens when you trade in technicals. That's what happens also when you trade breakouts. It normally will be high, but you are not buying it because it's high, but you are buying it because it's the new support, because people are willing to buy it higher, and because from a technical aspect, the resistance has transitioned into a market where there's more buyers already. So if a stock moves from 8 to 10, 8 is your support, 10 is your resistance. Should the stock go up and break out from that level, 10 now becomes your new support, and 10 becomes also a buying opportunity for you. So what makes a breakout unique is that as compared to other price ranges, you can also buy at the support, but since it's the new support, you have a large surge of buying happening in those areas. So that's it, guys. I just got reminded of how a geyser can actually be connected to support and resistances. I just got reminded that there's certain things in life and in nature that we can relate when we trade the market. So I'm a big fan of trading breakouts. I'm a big fan of buying stocks because during breakouts, because it has momentum attached to it. What's nice when the stock has momentum, it zooms up and you get to ride the pressure up as well. So I know this isn't for everyone, because buying stocks during breakouts also has a higher degree of risk as compared to buying it when it's retracing down a support level. But with practice, and if you do it over and over again, and as you've seen in the reference of the PSEI, once you started breaking out from 8.1, 8.5 became the new target price. Once we started breaking out of 8.5, 8.9 became the new target price. Once we, if we should have stayed above, or we stay above 8.9, next target price would be 9.3. So that's how you can do it. The resistance when it starts breaking out from that can serve as your next target price as well. So that's it for now. We're still here in Iceland. More videos, more basic videos to help you trade the markets with confidence. This is my wife, who enjoyed watching it twice, and she's now shivering. Yes?
Freezing.
Freezing? How cold is it?
I can't feel my fingers.
You can't feel your fingers. How cold is it? How cold is it?
It's -8.
-8. Do you want to touch the boiling water?
It's this way.
Yeah?
I don't think I'd feel it.
You wouldn't feel it, but it's 300 degrees.
My fingers are numb.
Alright, so say goodbye to everyone. I hope this video helps you trade well.
It's sharp.
And
It's hard.
goodbye everyone from Iceland. See you all again soon.